winter lifestyle box is here, and today we're gonna open it up, we're gonna check it all out and see what's inside. And spoiler, this is always my favorite box to open up because there's so many products in here. Every quarter you're gonna receive a booklet that gives you more information about those goodies that you're receiving. Starting with a full-size product from Andalou Naturals. So this is a skincare product. In particular, we have a skin food mask. So this is a hydrating mask. It comes in at 1.7 ounces or 50 grams. This mask is going to not only give you the hydration, but also reverse signs of aging. So fine lines, wrinkles, it's going to work at removing or hiding any of those things. So this is what it looks like here for your actual product. You just put this on, you leave it for a little while, and then wash it off afterwards. At nighttime, you're gonna be applying this moisturizer. So we have another full-size product. This is the Healthy Glow Brightening Night Cream. So the reason why you put this on at night is that way it can work while you're sleeping, and that way it will really absorb into the skin. Now this is going to be a cruelty-free product. It's also vegan and gluten-free. This one will give you a brightening effect. So by morning, you're gonna see that your skin is glowing, and it's also infused with all natural ingredients. So this one specifically has vitamin C, which is how you're getting that brightening effect. It's a great ingredient. It really does work. And the longer it sits there, the better results you get. So another reason why I use it at night. Now this box has been smelling really good, almost too good. So the next item I figured out is the reason why it smells so amazing. We have got some Palo Santo charcoal-free incense sticks, and you're going to get 80 incense sticks inside of this. Now this one does not use charcoal, so it cuts down on any indoor air pollution, so you're not gonna get that soot or that smokiness, but you're still gonna get that really great scent. So this is what it looks like here inside. And then all 80 of those sticks are gonna be wrapped up. And then you can just take these out as you need them or as you want to use them. They're very aromatic. My recommendation is do one at a time because even already here, they're wrapped up in the package and they smell amazing. Shoot, I wouldn't even need to burn these. I could just let it sit for a moment. Also included in this quarter's box, we have a product from Vor. This is a hair care product, and yes, it is full size. This one's the Perfecting Prism. So it is a color treatment pre-shampoo product. So what you'll do is you're gonna put this one on, wait, I think I reversed those. It's a color protectant pre-shampoo treatment. I just now realized what I said, and I'm like, wait a second, that was backwards. So you put this on before using shampoo, and it is going to help to strengthen your hair. It's also going to prevent any damage to your hair, whether that's from color, like the chemicals from that, or environmental. But then it's also going to give you natural shine and vibrancy back to your hair. But full-size product, it's 5 ounces. Vor is an excellent hair care company as well. So you'll just start with this, and then you'll just go into your normal routine of washing your hair. And don't forget, this is a lifestyle subscription. So of course we're gonna get some different lifestyle products, like this one from Clean Logic, which is a silicone and facial scrubbers. So there are 2 of them in here, and then check this out. They have little suction cups on the back, so you can stick these on your shower wall and then pull it off when you need to. So you can put your facial cleanser directly on the silicone scrubber. They are gonna be rubberized mats, so that way they will help to cleanse and exfoliate your skin. And then you'll just hold on to that and do your normal cleaning process, and it will help to make your skin even more clean and smooth and soft afterwards because it is helping to exfoliate. But how genius is that? Just put it on your shower wall, that way you know you've got it. You could also put it on your mirror as well, so if you'd rather wash your face at the sink. I just do it in the shower because, you know, less mess. It's like you're already there, might as well do all of it. Next up inside of this box, we have a product from Mineral Fusion. This one is the loose setting powder. It's also full size again. So here you're gonna get the banana finishing powder. They call it banana because it does have a slight yellow tint to it, but when you apply this, it's going to be translucent. So this will help to lock in your makeup. It gets rid of oils. One quick tip that I will have for you is if you ever put on black eyeliner and it smudges down below throughout the day, use a setting powder. You're gonna put that setting powder on before you do your eyeliner. You're gonna go in, set it, let it sit there for a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, then you'll brush away the powder and then apply your eyeliner. That is going to help to absorb any oils so that way your eyeliner doesn't move throughout the day. Gold, anyone? next product inside of this box is this gorgeous gold tray. So this is a very large tray that could display all of your new beauty products that you just got, but you can use this anywhere. So that's what's great about this box is you get all sorts of lifestyle products. You could decorate with this one. You could do it in a bathroom setting, like I said, with your beauty items, but you could also put this out as another display piece. You got options. And we have not one, but 2 lip balms inside of this box. These are coming from a brand called Eco Lips, and this is their Mango Kiss lip balm. So we have 2 of them here. These are full-size lip balms that are cruelty-free and 100% vegan. So these will help to nourish and hydrate your lips and prevent them from being chapped. Check out this adorable mug. So this is a gorgeous blue mug that says anchor in the now. So this one's got a little bit of a tapered effect here as well. So it gets a little bit smaller towards the top and it looks like the waves of the sea. And then inside it says all is well. So this mug is coming from a brand called Anil Co. So this is what it looks like here. It is brand new in the box, but I wanted to take it out and show you guys. But even on the packaging of the box, you're getting all of the waves of the sea. How cute! And the last item inside of this box then, we are going to be getting a full-size beauty tool. Now this tool is called a face sculptor. So you can do a couple of things with this sculptor. So first off, you can use this to sculpt and lift around your face. It also will help to energize you because it will help that lymphatic system to move while using this tool. So this is what the tool looks like. At first glance, you're probably like, what in the world am I looking at? So this is the handle that you hold on to here. Up at the top, you're gonna get 2 rolling beads. So both of these beads will move. And then at the center, you're gonna have more specific spots here that are also going to move. So this is something that you will use to sculpt, and you can move and push your skin around where it will help to tone. Additionally, it has that cooling sensation. If you want it to be extra cold, you can stick it in your fridge for a little while, and it will help to take down any inflammation, swelling that you might have. If you have a sunburn, this is great to just roll this on to have some of that cooling effect. So there's a lot of possibilities that you can use with these tools. They're also great at massaging your temples, so if you have a headache, this can also help to alleviate some pressure. Did you see how many items are inside of this box? I'm telling you, this is why this box is amazing every time. You get all of that in one quarterly lifestyle box. So if you're interested in this subscription, I will leave a link down below for you to go check out. But leave me a comment and let me know what was your favorite item from this quarter's box. So until next time, beautiful, have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you in our next unboxing video. Bye.